Recently, Microsoft has come out with a new LTI that can be used inside learning management systems. In this video, I'm going to show you how this new Microsoft Education LTI can be used within Schoology and also show you how it replaces some of the individual LTIs that Microsoft has recently retired. So the first thing you're going to do this is you're going to log into one of your Schoology courses, and what I'm going to show you is how the new method to create any of your Microsoft Class notebooks. So once you're in your course, you're going to come down here in this left menu and you're going to look for this Microsoft Education LTI. Now you can see down here, this is the one that we used to use, OneNote Class Notebook, which made it easier for you to create your notebook within Schoology. This has been retired, so as of the fall of 2026, we are going to be using this application. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and it will take a few seconds to load here within your course. So we can see here the Microsoft Education LTI has loaded, and the first time you use it, you're going to get this little introduction about some of the pieces that are available to it. But in this video, we're going to particularly be concentrating on digital notebooks and files. So I'm going to click down here and click Continue Setup. So these are the different types of applications that are built into this LTI. So instead of having separate LTIs for each one of these individual components of Microsoft, they have put them all together into one single app. So the one that we are going to, again, be looking at is Class Notebook, and this should be on by default, but if it's not, you can turn it on. OneDrive also is going to replace another OneDrive app that was in here. If you do want to use something called the Reading Coach, this may be off by default, but you can turn it on, and then you have some other availability here. So once we see all of this, now we're going to click Done, and now we can really get started in making our OneNote Class Notebook. And if you have used OneNote Class Notebook in the past, the process has now gotten even easier than it did before when we were using this OneNote Class Notebook tool. Okay, so everything is loading. So these are the options that we have to use that are built into this LTI, and we're going to go ahead and click on Class Notebook. Go ahead and click Set up a Class Notebook. This is just an overview of what the permissions are, so we're not going to go through all of this, but you can read this if you wish. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Next. So this should be familiar to you also. So what this is asking you to do is create the sections of the notebook for your students. So what sections do you want them to have? These are some default sections, but you can get rid of any section that you don't want. So let's say I don't want quizzes, I don't want homework, and then there's also, I can click on a new section and I can type in Unit 1 and I add an additional section, and you can add additional sections later on, but this is just for this to get started with. Reference materials, you get the idea. All right, so once you've decided on all your sections, we can go ahead and click Create. So now it's creating the notebook, and the great part is you no longer have to individually add students to your notebook. Any student that is enrolled in your Schoology class is automatically going to be put into this notebook, which saves you lots and lots of work. So once this is set up, really all we need to do is launch it, and then we can download it into the desktop version. So our notebook is ready. I can go ahead and click Open Notebook. It's going to open up in the online version of the notebook, which is what we're looking at right here. I don't have any students in the Schoology course, which is why you're not seeing any students populate here, but you should see the students that are in your course. I'm going to come up to the upper right hand side, click Open in Desktop, and then I can launch it into the desktop application, and I don't have to go through this whole process again for the future. So that's really essentially it. There's other tools that are built into this Microsoft Education, which I'll go over in other videos, but this is as simple as it gets when it comes to creating class notebooks with this new LTI inside Schoology.